So you have started your machine. This lab is about two parts. The first part, we need to configure the IP address of our DC machine. If you remember, we created the VM, we installed operating system, but we did not add the IP address, right? So now we are going to add the IP address. So to do that, there are different ways to do it. One of the easiest way to do it is you go to, click on local server, just open your machine, go to dashboard, first machine, okay? I am recording it. If you miss something, you can go back and see it. Okay, then you go to, click on Ethernet. You see Ethernet here, your Ethernet card. Click on it, please. Now you come here, select, and then right-click, and then choose Properties. This is one of the ways to do it. There are different ways. Then you scroll down and choose just one click on IP version 4. IP version 4. Okay. Now click on Properties and then choose Use the following IP address. The address is given to us in the lab manual, so it is 10.0.1.1, and please don't get out from this screen. You need to take a screenshot, okay? The subnet mask is 255.255.255.0, okay? The default gateway is the same machine, so it is 10.0.1.1, okay? 10.0.1. I will wait here till everyone finish. Okay, your DNS, it will be the preferred DNS, only one. You put 10.0.1.1. And please don't leave this until you take a screenshot. Take a screenshot for this page and save it. Okay? All right. Next. Okay, now after you take the screenshot, so this is the first screenshot. Click OK and close. Now we are done here, so I'll close this. I will close this. Now we go back to our dashboard. Oh my God, I closed everything by mistake. I open Server Manager again. If you closed it, open Server Manager. Close this. Now now to install DHCP, also there are two parts. First, I will add the role, and I will take screenshot. Then I will configure DHCP. So to add the role, I will click on Add Roles and Services. Click on Add Roles and Services. Okay. Don't change anything here. 10.0.1.1. Yeah. That's the DNS. No, that's last one not needed. Only one DNS. Okay, here next. Don't change anything. We'll just go by the default. Next. And then here choose DHCP. Click on DHCP. Once you click, it will take you to another screen. Then you take a screenshot. Okay, click here. Take a screenshot here. So this is our second screenshot. Yeah, خلاص. Yeah. Take a screenshot. Okay. Now don't change anything. Just click add feature. Click add feature. Yeah. It's okay. I will check you what you have there. But yeah. Now you go to the server manager and add roles and features. Close this. Yeah. Open server manager, add roles and features. Close this. Yeah. Okay. Open add roles and features. Dashboard. Go to the dashboard. Here, on top. No, here on top. Our option down. Here, yes. Okay. Now click on. Please follow up. Yes, you have a question. I told you after the DHCP. No, I was going very steady. They are all done. But I will wait for you, okay? Yeah. When you take the check, then it will take you to another screen. Take the screenshot. Okay. Next. Don't change anything here. Are you okay now, Mister? You are okay? Following with us? All right. Next. Don't change anything. Here, make tick here, please. Take a screenshot. Restart if needed. Restart if needed. Take a screenshot. And then click yes. Okay. Okay. Yes. And then click on install, please. Click on install. Click on install. Ready? Everyone ready? Shall I go forward? Okay. Next. Now it will start installing the service. It will take some time. Not short, not long time. Add roles and service. Yeah. And then choose next. No, your screen, make it big screen. Full screen. Yeah. Okay. Next. Choose the DHCP. Yeah. DHCP and take screenshot. Okay. Is it installing on your computers? All right. I'm almost done here. So now I will click on close. You see close? It's enabled. I click on it. Okay. Now do you see the DHCP here? Green. Take a screenshot of this screen. Okay. Take a screenshot, please. Okay, now we need to configure the DHCP. We need to create scope. So to do that, we will click on Tools, and then we choose DHCP and take screenshot here. Tools, DHCP. Yeah, Tools, DHCP. From top, third option on the to the right. Now I have my DHCP screen. Okay, maximize it. Now you come here. This is DHCP. You click here. We are going to configure a scope only for IP version 4. So I will click on IP version 4, one click, and then select it, and then right-click and choose a new scope. By the way, these steps are written in the manual, so if you are following with me and looking at the manual, you will find all the steps. Then choose a new scope. Okay. We are going to name the scope DC A1, okay? DC A1. DC A1. Take a screenshot. Next. This is the start and end of the scope. So we are going to take a screenshot after we put the data, okay? So are you following with us? Yeah, okay. So the start is 10.0.1. This is the start of the scope, .1. The end of the scope is 10.0.1.100. Good. The length of the subnet mask, because it is 255.255.255.0, so it is 24. You see, it will come automatically 255.255.255.0. Take a screenshot now, please. Take a screenshot. Save it to your Word file. Okay. Now I will move next. Ready? Okay. Now the exclusion, as per the lab manual, it will be from 10.0.1.1 into 10.1.10. Okay? Add. Click on add. And take a screenshot. From 1 to 10. Take a screenshot. Okay? Now we go click on next. Okay, it asks you about the lease duration. Keep it as default, 8 days. 8 days. So take a screenshot and click next. Okay. Now it says, do you want to configure other options? Other options like gateway, DNS? We say yes. So here we click next. Next. Now we add the IP address of our gateway. It is already our machine, 10.0.1.1, and then click add. Take a screenshot, please. Take a screenshot. And then, shall I move forward? Okay. Okay, next. Now we need to add the domain name as per the lab manual. It will be HC, I think HC1.ae, right? HCT1.ae. Okay. HCT1.ae. All right, and the IP address is already given, so we don't need to add anything. Take a screenshot, please. And then click next. Take a screenshot and next. Okay, we are not going to configure this. Next. You want to activate now? Yes, please. Don't forget this. Take a screenshot here. Take a screenshot. Yeah, wins we don't configure wins. This is the for all the operating systems. Okay, next. Now we say finish. Khalas, we are done. Now take a screenshot here for this screen and go to scope. You see the scope? Open your scope. Okay. Click on address pool. High address pool. Take a screenshot for it, please. You see from 1 to 100 and exception from 1 to 10. That's it. We call this, listen, we call this the scope, and this is the pool of IP addresses. So we are done with this part of the lab. Okay, just take the screenshots. Okay. It's taking some time, I know.